Hi everyone, this is LSBC. We offer one-to-one or one-to-two private Mandarin lessons. The class can be arranged at an agreed location, whether at your place or in our office. The timetable can be negotiated as well, suitable as for your availability. Please listen to what our students have to say about why you should choose our private Mandarin lessons.
So yeah, I've had some good experiences like learning Chinese here. I've had a lot of practice speaking Chinese and also listening. So my teacher Daisy speaks a lot about lots of different subjects, and it's really good experience listening, and she gets me to talk a lot in classes.
My learning experience here has been very positive. All the teachers are very friendly and very helpful, and yeah, hoping to study more and learn more and expand my horizons.
I've been studying Chinese for I guess about 5 years altogether. I think, as with all languages, but particularly those where the tonal system is very different to anything in Europe, and you have the difficulty with the script, the key is just constant practice. And then having small group tuition, so you can really just practice speaking in ways that give a very, very clear methods of speech, and also lots of patience.